The Customer Services portal provides product end-of-life information in various ways. When you go to an installed product details page, you will see the end-of-life date in the header of the page if the end-of-life date is determined. You can include the end-of-life dates when you export installed products. Go to Installed Product from the menu item and click on the Export button. Then select System End of Life and click Submit. You will receive the list in an Excel file. One of our reports also allows you to view the end-of-life information. You can also export this report to Excel. To activate the end-of-life subscription, go to your profile page. On your profile page, mark End-of-Life Subscription. Then select the notification window. If you click on the Generate End-of-Life Mail button on the IP details, the portal will send an end-of-life statement to your email account. Please note that this button is only active when an end-of-life date has been determined and you have activated your end-of-life subscription. With the Customer Services portal, we are always there, always on, 24/7.